You open your laptop, you log into your tool, your data is already there, your team can access it from anywhere, it updates automatically. You didn't install anything, you didn't configure any hardware, you just logged in. Now here is the real question. If the software isn't on your computer, where is it actually running? And how do companies build products that thousands, even millions of people that use at same time? Today I'm gonna break it down. What SaaS really is, what server actually does, how SaaS companies use servers to build products, what a landing page is, what a dashboard is, and how all of it connects into one powerful system. By the end of this video, you won't just understand SaaS only. You will understand what is the real mission, what is behind of it. Let's dive in. Let's know about the SaaS. What is SaaS? SaaS stands for Software as a Service. Instead of buying software once and installing on your computer, you access it through the internet. Usually through a web browser, and you pay monthly or annually. Let's see example. When you use Canva, you are not going to download it, that entire system. What you do, you are going to give your email and you just log in, right? And you will subscribe it. That's it. You will pay money for month or right. When you use Shopify, do you build your own servers? No, you don't build your own servers. You just subscribe and you use that platform online. That's it. It's called SaaS. It's software delivered as ongoing service. For users, it's convenience. For founders, it's recurring money. Okay? That's why SaaS is the most powerful business model in this world. Next, let's see what is a server. What is server? A powerful computer that stores data and runs application for other computers. When you visit a website, your device sends a request. The server processes that request and send back information. Okay? Here is a simple analogy. Think of a restaurant. You are the customer and internet is the waiter. The kitchen is the server. You place an order, kitchen prepares it. But when 10,000 users join, is it possible to handle it easily? No. So what we have to do? We need a server, cloud server. Okay, the cloud server automatically increases computing power. That's scalability. Okay, if there are 10 users, a small server is enough, but day by day users will increase, right? How viewers are increasing to our YouTube videos, same like that. If you are same WhatsApp users and Facebook, Instagram, like that, users will increase. Like that way, any AI tool, any SaaS product, automatic users will increase. How users will increase? The same way data servers must be increased. That's why we need cloud servers. So automatically that function must be increased. So we need cloud servers. Okay, hope you got it. And here is something important. SaaS companies don't give every user their own server. Okay, cause it's too expensive. That's why instead of that, they use something called multi-tenancy. Okay, think of it. An apartment building, one building, many apartments. Each resident has a private space. Similarly, thousands of users share same server infrastructure, but their data securely separated. For example, when you use Notion, do you know Notion? Okay, let's see about that Notion. Okay, workspace feels completely private, but behind the scenes, many users website, what users can get they can get information only, right? That home page gives information only. But here in the SaaS landing user, when we are going to open that landing page, we are a visitor only. We are not using. When we become user, when we are going to subscribe it, right? Then we are, when we are going to email, we are giving our email and we are going to subscribe it, then we are users, right? Until then we are just visitors. We just visit that website, that landing page. After that, if we want, if we feel we need it, then only we will use it, otherwise we will leave it. Until then we are just visitors only, right? So when a visitor come to see that landing page, we have to convert them into user, right? That's why how we have to build a SaaS landing page, a powerful landing page can convert visitors into users. How many users will increase, that much we can increase our SaaS product, right? We can get more profits. So that's the most key point. Only landing page is also there. After that, SaaS dashboard is also there. Okay, these are interlinked. When you are going to click on that get started SaaS dashboard, it brings into a admin. Now you can open admin dashboard. If you are a user, if you see here in Notion, you can see your profile dashboard. Okay, it's interlinking. When you are, before you are going to log in, you can see a SaaS landing page. After you have given your email and login in, then you can see your own profile dashboard, right? It's a SaaS dashboard. Okay, let's discuss about the SaaS landing page. After that we will discuss about the SaaS dashboard. Okay, the page already we have said, this landing page converts visitors into users, right? It's a digital salesperson. When some lands on your page, they are asking, is this for me? When someone lands on your SaaS landing page, they ask themselves, is this landing page built for me or not? Will this solve my problem? I came to this landing page. This landing page will solve my problem or not? Can I trust this company's landing page? Is it giving worthable information? Is it helpful to me or not? Is it really company trustworthy or not? They feel like this, they think like this. So your landing page must answer these questions clearly and quickly also, right? Look at Slack. Simple messaging, clear value proposition, strong call to action, CTA. Okay, a landing page drives action. Okay, let's discuss about the SaaS dashboard. Once someone sign up, they log in, the first screen they see the dashboard. We have discussed about that, right? Already after we have logged in, we can see our profile dashboard, right? Yeah, this is the control center of your product. For example, in Stripe, the first thing you see revenue data, because that's what users care about. A great dashboard does three things. What's those are? Show progresses, guides the next action, reduce confusion. Okay, landing page is equal to get users in. Okay, dashboard is equal to keeps them engaged. Got it? Yeah, let's go for next step, beginner to advanced standing. Okay, SaaS is a online subscription software. Server, the computer runs it. Okay, landing page convert visitors into users. Dashboard delivers value. This is a beginner level, you have to understand, right? As a intermediate level, in this intermediate level, what you have to understand, cloud servers handle scaling and storage. Cloud servers handle scaling and storage. Landing pages use psychology to convert. Dashboards use design to retain users. If you become a intermediate level, if you are now in intermediate level, then you have to understand like this concept, okay? After that, if you are a advanced level, if you are in advanced level, how you have to think? SaaS is a system made of 3 engines. Infrastructure engine for servers, acquisition engine for landing page, retention engine for dashboard. Okay, when all 3 work together, growth becomes predictable, right? Let's discuss like that. A founder hosted is a single small server. Traffic spiked, the server crashed. Lesson. What's that lesson? We have to know scalability isn't optional. A founder hosted is SaaS on a single small server. What's happened? Traffic spiked. The server, what will happen to server? Server crashed. Okay. So what you have to learn here, scalability isn't optional. Okay. Another one. Another founder built a beautiful dashboard with 20 metrics. What are the metrics? When you are going to design the dashboard, you can understand what are the metrics, right? Okay. You can see, if you see here, these all are the metrics. Users felt overwhelmed. He reduced it 3 key numbers. Retention increased dramatically. What will happen here? Clarity wins. Means, first of all, another founder, what he did? He added 20 metrics. He felt it's good looking, so it's fine. 20 metrics are working perfect. But the fact, it's a myth actually. Okay? Fact is, it's overloading. That's after that, he reduced 3 metrics. Okay? He removed another 3 to 5. Some metrics, unwanted metrics, he removed from there, from the dashboard. What will happen after that? Automatically, retention increased dramatically. Where clarity wins. If you are going to give your clarity to that user, when a user comes to your dashboard, he has to think, when he sees the dashboard, we have to give a perfect clarity to them. Okay? When they can understand the dashboard, they will stay, they will read, they will understand. They become your user. They will use it forever. They will pay it for. Right? In case if they can't understand, if they feel, oh my God, so many metrics are here, I can't understand these all. Why these all are here? It's not simple. It's taking too much time to understand. Like this, if they feel hard, what they will do? There are so many other AI tools also. I can go for another tool. Like that, they will think and they will leave our dashboard. That's why we have to think, and are there any extra metrics, not only metrics, any components are there or not? Is it correct or not? We have to give a clarity. Okay. And next, let's see another simple story. A SaaS company had a strong infrastructure and great features. Okay. But the landing page was confusing. Just now we have discussed about that confusion, right? No signups. How can they go into that dashboard without sign up? Without email, without sign up, how can they open their profile dashboard? They can't, right? Even admins dashboard also they can't open, right? because technical is design doesn't self itself doesn't sell itself, right? Communication does. Okay. SaaS is not just a software. It's infrastructure plus psychologically plus design. Okay. Servers power the system. Landing pages drive decisions. Dashboards shapes behavior. If one breaks, growth slows. If all align, revenue compounds. That's it. What is SaaS? What is server does? Hope you understand now. What is SaaS? What is a server? How good infrastructure supports a scaling? How landing pages convert users? How dashboards retain them? You are no longer guessing. You see the architecture. Remember this. Code builds the product. Servers power the product. Psychology sells the product. Master all three. Okay? And you don't just build software. You build leverage. If this helped to you truly understand SaaS at deeper level, kindly subscribe, because next we are breaking down SaaS architecture step by step for beginners. Okay, you are not just learning technology, you are learning how systems scale, and that's different level. Hope you are going to subscribe and support us. Thank you very much. Let's meet in our next video in deeply.